Hello, my name is Jay from Quantum Flow, and today is Friday, February 16th, 2024. Today's video provides a recap of the day with thoughts for Tuesday, given the market is closed Monday for President's Day. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel below to be notified when we post these daily videos. Today, SPY closed at $499.50 for the first red day in 4 days. This volatility was to be expected given today's monthly options expiration, or OPEX. If buy the dips are still a mantra, today provided an opportunity to get long going into Tuesday, and in fact, our overnight income service bought the $4.99 call toward the end of the day, which expires on Tuesday. While we were expecting higher prices today, we got them pre-market, and then only briefly this afternoon before the market sold off into the close. We aren't putting much weight into this afternoon's price action, given even with the sell-off, we closed significantly above the week's low and right at yesterday's low. Take a look at the daily chart. Tim, pre-market, pointed out that 504 was a logical area to expect profit taking and the upper range for the day. Below, Tim suggested that 501 did not hold. Taking profits was warranted. He reiterated this view at 8:37 a.m. after KPI was released, which came in notably hotter than expected. And in the morning, the market decided to pull back to yesterday's close before finding support and rallying to the high of the day. When a news report is released and is not as expected, Quantum Flow's prior day analysis is no longer valid, as the base assumptions that it made in the prior day have changed. It's important to be nimble and to adjust to whatever the market gives you after a important news release, like the CPI, KPI, FOMC minutes, etc. Quantum Flow's projected upper target for today was 506, significantly higher than what we got today, with a low of 497, which was also significantly lower than we got today. We trade in between these two levels all day. Dealer positioning for today had market makers selling the 504 and the 507 calls, and the market failed to breach the 504 level. This clearly was a line in the sand that was well defended by the dealers. To the downside, yesterday market makers sold the 501 and the 500 puts. I lost a little money on the 501s, but the 500s held up well, and once again, the market found major support at around 500. And knowing even broadly where the market makers have the bulk of their positions can be extremely helpful in knowing where a market will trade to and from. Provides range for the day for intraday trades. Tim had 4 trades today in the play of the day service, 1 winner and 3 losers, and stopped trading for the day, given our risk management rules require we stop trading if we lose more trades than we win. The winning trade was buying the 500 call at 11 a.m., right at yesterday's close, and trading it higher. Tim exited at 505 pretty quickly with a 9% gain, and those who trade multiple contracts may have held for a much bigger profit to 502 and beyond. For Tuesday, the upside, let's open up this chart. Dealers are selling in small size and in much larger size. Small size, the 502, calls, and in much larger size, the 504 calls, indicating the market will stall between 502 and 504. QuantumFlow bought the 499 calls today and projected the exit to reach at least 501. So again, in line with dealer positioning. To the downside, dealers are buying the 498 puts, and again, in some size, indicating a concern that the dealers have about potential weakness. As we have been saying all week, we expect further upside on Tuesday. Be prepared for additional weakness, possibly next week, as the dealers are buying downside protection for Tuesday and even for the rest of the week. QuantumFlow's projected low for SPY for Tuesday is 495, which is lower than today's projected low. But again, the market remains bullish until it's not. Be sure to check QuantumFlow's pre-market commentary. And remember, the first 14 days of our service is free, no credit card required. So it makes sense to check in before the market opens and after the close to gain an actionable edge for your trade. Good luck and good trading.